Congratulations, Harrison. 3-0 victory. I'm sure you're pretty happy with that, but perhaps saw the need for some improvements?
There's a lot of improvements that we need to do at this stage. It's the first game of the tournament. We expected that the boys will be nervous at the start, and it showed that in the first half we were struggling a bit, but the boys did the job at the end.
The system that we wanted to play was actually working. If you look at that first goal, the player that scored the goal was a really good goal, but he was given too much time on the ball. And it's the one thing that we've planned for, is not to give them the time before beyond with the ball, because we know technically they're very good. If you look at the second and the third goals, again, it was the same thing. It was more down to individual mistakes that resulted in the goal. And so plenty to work for, to work on for the next 4 games. But yeah, it wasn't too bad.